Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best black corkboard on the market, the DAHAPYBOO Corkboard with linen black, measuring 36 by 24 inches. If you're looking for a stylish, functional, and durable bulletin board to organize your home, office, or school space, this one definitely deserves your attention. Right off the bat, the DAHAPYBOO Corkboard stands out for its high-quality construction. The surface is made from linen, which offers a unique combination of durability and self-healing properties. What this means is that every time you remove a pin, the linen naturally closes the hole, keeping the board looking neat and new for a long time. This feature is especially useful if you frequently change your pinned notes, photos, or memos. The backing of the board is cork, known for its excellent pin-holding ability without damaging your items or the board itself. To complement the sturdy build, the frame is made from pine wood with a sleek black finish that adds a modern touch to any room. It's not just functional but also an elegant piece of decor that blends well with various interior styles. With dimensions of 36 inches by 24 inches, this bulletin board offers a generous space for your creativity. Whether you're pinning reminders, calendars, inspirational quotes, or even small accessories, you'll have ample room to keep everything organized in one place. It's perfect for setting up vision boards, message centers, or creative displays. Installation is a breeze with the DAHAPYBOO Corkboard. It comes with detailed instructions and two types of mounting hooks, allowing you to hang it either vertically or horizontally based on your space and preference. The hooks are pre-installed for convenience, so you can get your board up on the wall in no time without any hassle. This corkboard also comes with extras like thumbtacks, hooks, and strings, giving you everything you need to start customizing your board right away. These accessories enhance your ability to display a variety of items securely and stylishly. One of the impressive aspects of this board is its versatility. It is not limited to just holding notes or papers. You can use push pins and shelves to showcase your artistic creations, keep track of important schedules, or even organize keys and jewelry. It's a multifunctional tool that adapts to your personal and professional needs. The board is lightweight at just under 6 pounds, which makes it easy to move or reposition as your needs change. Despite being lightweight, it is designed to be strong and thick enough to prevent thumbtacks from puncturing through the surface or frame, ensuring durability over time. Overall, the DAHAPYBOO Corkboard with linen black 36 by 24 inches strikes the perfect balance between practicality and style. It's ideal for anyone wanting to keep their space organized without sacrificing design. Whether you are decorating your home office, classroom, kitchen, or bedroom, this corkboard offers a functional and attractive solution to keep your ideas, reminders, and inspirations clearly visible. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use, and visually appealing corkboard, the DAHAPYBOO Linen Black Bulletin Board is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews and insights. See you in the next video.